Underwater alphabet, learning the alphabet with 3 creatures.
Welcome back to my channel Learn and Play with-shibasish. Please subscribe.
A is for angelfish. B is for blue tank. C is for crab. D is for dolphin. E is for eel. F is for flounder. G is for giant squid. H is for hammerhead. I is for irrawaddy. J is for jellyfish. K is for killer whale. L is for lobster. M is for Moses idol. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. P is for pufferfish. Q is for queen conch. R is for rabbitfish. S is for seahorse. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn fish. V is for viperfish. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yellow tank. Z is for zebra shark. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye.